important ingredient to becoming a good data scientist is to have business domain knowledge. Now, this is not a myth. This is very much required because remember, you're going to use data science for some business purpose. You are not going to use your data science skills to sit on an island and do something in data science. Whatever you will do in data science will be for the purpose of making some business decisions, for the purpose of solving some business problems, or for the purpose of finding some new information for your business. Hence, having the business domain knowledge is very much essential to become a good practicing data scientist. You may be having expertise in HR or marketing or operations or supply chain or whichever domain in business, that doesn't matter. You can use the data science skills in each of these functionalities and become a good data scientist who knows how to apply these skills in the business domain.